Hey everyone, this is Dean with DCA Crypto. Today I'm covering Solana for you guys. Solana is absolutely screaming. It's been just so hot this past month or so, and now it's up over $100 and going for the next mark. I'm going to cover my price targets in this video, guys. I'd appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and let's jump into it. All right, so Solana has strengthened, and this week it has grown. You know, it was kind of up here at this $40 billion market cap. It passed BNB at one point, and then it was kind of sitting still for just a few days, and then boom, it shot up to the next leg. Really strengthened its position in the market now and jumped way ahead of BNB. So it's got that strong number 4 position, and now it's eyeing up number 3 for the tether mark. Now, that's almost a 2x from here, you know. Currently, Solana's at a $48 billion market cap, and it's looking for that $91 billion market cap to surpass Tether. And Tether's really a stable coin, so it kind of doesn't count so much. But, you know, as far as actual trading coins are concerned, Solana is number 3 right now, especially for blockchains. It's number 3 right now as far as market cap. So Solana is just absolutely smoking, up 54% pretty much for the week. And if we look at the chart here, it just had this god candle for the last week here, shot all the way from, what is it, $67 all the way up to like $114 today. So on the 4-hour chart here, you can see it hit $114, almost $115, and might have hit $115 on some exchanges. So really just a huge bullish move from Solana. If you go to the weekly here, you know, there's really, you know, the next target's probably like $140 here, kind of where it peaked out right here before it came down after that FTX collapse. So that could be the next resistance zone that's heavy for around $140. But I'm expecting, as long as we stay bullish in this market, Solana would hit up to this $140 mark in the near future. So it'll be interesting to see if that happens or not. You know, I am absolutely shocked that we've gotten this high on Solana before the end of the year. It's just amazing. We haven't even gotten into 2024 yet, and Solana's already, you know, almost at like 50% of its all-time high. So, you know, just remember though, Bitcoin did a similar thing in the previous bear market where it got up to, you know, over 50% or higher of its, actually over 50% of its previous all-time high before it came crashing back down. So, you know, for Solana to do something like this, it's not too surprising, but it's just so surprising that it's happened already in 2023 and not in 2024. So really excited to see what Solana does throughout this next year before we get into like the 2025 portion of the bull run. Crazy thing is we haven't even gotten into the true altcoin season yet. So if you go up to here, it's at like level 75 is where the real altcoin season starts, like you have right here, where alts are really going crazy. So we're starting to get there. You know, we're coming up here. We're past the halfway mark in the middle here now. We're out of Bitcoin season. We're getting towards altcoin season, and really could start seeing this take off here if we keep going and keep staying bullish. If we get the Bitcoin ETF approved, I think that's really just going to make things just go parabolic and really make us take off into an early bull run. But that doesn't mean that we couldn't get a correction yet. So keep that in mind. You know, we could get a correction still next year in like the first quarter, right before the halving or just after the halving. That's definitely a possibility. So don't just think that we're going to keep going up and up and up forever without getting a correction, because typically we always get, you know, 38% corrections or so in the bull cycles. It's a healthy correction on the way up for us to get that. So if we get that, don't panic. It's just normal part of the cycle. But, you know, if you look at Solana here, you know, it got up to $260 in the last bull run. I'm expecting it to smash that all-time high and probably get up into the $400 to $500 mark. Some people think that Solana could get up to like $1,000 in this bull run. I would say it's possible, but it's not very probable, because you're talking like a $400 billion market cap at that point. That's higher than Ethereum's current market cap. So it would really take like a huge push from here to get that high. I'm trying to stay here down on earth and think that we could get up to the 400, possibly the $500 mark in the bull run and double the previous all-time high. But, you know, as you know, anything can happen in crypto, and we have a long ways to go yet. So if we continue to stay bullish, that is a possibility. But as of right now, I'm still sticking with my price target of $400 to $500 for Solana in the bull run, because I'm expecting some kind of correction in the first quarter or so of next year to happen, and as just a normal healthy part of the cycle with crypto. Whales and stuff are going to start really taking some serious profits out at some point, and then we're going to see some capitulation in the market where they're knocking out all these longs and shorts in the markets and stuff. So keep that in mind. We're not just going to keep going up forever, but right now it's great to see this awesome movement in the market. It's great to see Solana over $100. It's absolutely crazy what's going on with crypto right now, and we're not even in the true altcoin season. So I think we got a lot of amazing things to come up ahead here. Coins on the Solana network are definitely really bullish right now, and we'll have to see what happens, what the next narrative of this crypto cycle is going to be. If it's going to jump into like AI again, or if it's going to jump into ISO 222, or if it's going to jump into more meme coins or back to gaming, or what it's going to do. But at some point we're going to see some of these alts really going parabolic, kind of like some of these big caps have been doing recently. Now I would expect after Solana take off like this again, that you might see like Avalanche and some of the others jump up to the next level as a possibility if we stay bullish. So kind of be looking out for that. I'm not saying to go ahead and move your profits and stuff into those, but just make sure that you are taking out profits, guys, especially with as much as we've come up in the market. It's a good thing to take out some profits and put them off to the side and wait for a rainy day. And obviously you don't want to sell all of your coins for sure. You definitely want to keep a good chunk in the market right now. But if you're up a lot on some of your coins like Solana, it's up pretty much almost it's actually up more than a 10x from its low of $8 in this bear cycle. And then when we got down to like $13 or $14 earlier this year, we're almost up a 10x from there. So that's really a time when you're in the big caps like this, you really want to start taking out some profits and start setting some off aside, because the chances now for sure of getting like a 10x from this point, getting up to over $1,000 with Solana, are, in my opinion, very low for this bull run. So taking out some profits now is definitely not a bad idea. And then maybe 10-20% or something, maybe take your initial investment out. But this isn't financial advice, guys. This is just what I would do. I've actually sold my Solana and moved it into other alts that I think are going to take off yet in this cycle here, and put some into seed round investments that haven't even launched yet, that'll be launching early in 2024, just ready for the hot bull run. So I'll get some great gains out of those as well. But what you want to do with your portfolio is up to you and your personal investments and your personal strategy for your investments. So please give this video a quick like for the YouTube algorithm, guys. I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for my daily videos. And don't forget to check out my free Telegram and my Discord. The Discord is through Patreon. The links are in the description of the video below. I appreciate all of you, and we'll see you on the next one. Tell me what you need, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me what you need, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me.